Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist here with a cute little kitten face. I usually like to do the full body, but this face just appealed to me. I just wanted to capture this expression. And I'm going 3 times the speed here and voicing over. And I'll speed up at the end. Gotta get those eyes in the right place, so we'll get some lines going in there. Just work out that shape and make it look like those eyes and nose fit right into the structure of the face. Always easy does it on the chin because it's not really a hard, sharp line under the chin. Depending on your style, of course. Let's fix up those eyes. Make sure they fit into that head. Brighten the eyes up, bring Kitty to life. And I'm just darkening up the lines that I really want to stand out more. And sometimes darkening up too much. So work in progress. Your whole artistic journey is a work in progress. Lots of fixing up to go here. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or wherever you are in the world or whatever you want to talk to me about, because I just love to hear from you. Yeah, I think those fit the eye socket a little better now. We're going to speed up to 6 times the speed here and finish this drawing up. These quick, simple sketches really, the learning value is incredible, and all that carries on to your next piece. I love that expression I got there. That little kind of smirk. When is it done and when is it overdone? It's so hard to know. But you know what? You got to overdo a few sketches to get all that extra learning. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.